I'm going to show you here how to use the tool Piktochart. So once you create an account and you log in, you'll be brought to this, which is called your dashboard, which will show all of the infographics, presentations, posters, etc. that you've already made. So up here at the top, this is your account information where you can look at your settings, edit anything you need to up there. Then over here on the left-hand side, you can create infographics. That's the main point of Piktochart, and that's what I use it for. But you can also create presentations, posters, reports, or flyers. So there really is a lot to do. You can see my one infographic that I've created on Piktochart is right here, and that is my artifact. So to add a new infographic to the dashboard and create something new, I'm going to click up here where it says Create New. And you get to pick what you actually want to make. So I'm going to show you how to make an infographic, but all of them are the same kind of process and you use the tool the same way. It's just a different outcome. So once you get to the infographic page, there are a ton of different templates that you can choose from. I really like using templates because it's very easy and simple. You just type your information in and the format is already there for you. So just going through and seeing what templates are available. But you are able to start from scratch and create a custom infographic if you'd rather do that. So that's what I would click right here if I wanted to do a new infographic myself without a template. But I'm going to go ahead and show you the template version. So if I were to, let's say, click on this one, you can either automatically use the template or you can preview it before just to make sure. But if I click Use Template, it's going to open that up. And I'm just simply going to type in whatever information that I want. So if I don't want this to be about a healthy lifestyle, I would click in the text box. I can backspace this and let's say it's all about ice cream. So you'll see that I just type in what I want, then I can scroll down. I have the zoom feature right here if I want to see it all kind of put together. Then I would click in these text boxes, double click, backspace, type what I would like. These are all pictures, and so if I click and hit delete on my keyboard, I can actually just delete that right there. Or I have all of these settings up here, so I can undo. I can make it more opaque. I can add a link, arrange things, flipping things. Then on the side here for graphics, I have a lot of shape and icon choices. If I wanted to search something, let's see if there's ice cream available. There are a ton of options in your graphics. Then lines, if I wanted different lines, photos instead of graphics, or photo frames as well. So there are a lot of options to go with. Uploads, if I wanted to take something from my computer, I could put that on my infographic. If I wanted to change the background, the color right now is that green color. I could change it to a different one if I wanted. Text, I would just add a text box, whatever size I choose. I could change the whole color scheme of the infographic as well. So if I want it to be blue, you can see that it changes over here. And then tools is just if I wanted to add a chart, a video, or a map to my infographic. It's really simple. Just click what you want, edit where you want to, delete things. You can switch things out. You can completely change the format if you just like the theme of this, or like I said, you can start from scratch. So once I have my infographic done, I would click Save. I would name it first, and then I would click Save. If I wanted to preview and see what it looks like, I could do that. Let's exit here. And then I can download or I can share, so you can actually share the link to it, or you can share it as a PDF. You can download it, save it to your drive, anything like that. So very simple way to make infographics.